How to download offline maps on Google Maps. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to download offline maps on Google Maps. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open your Google Maps app. And here, you can click your main profile on the top left of the screen and choose offline maps. I don't have offline maps yet, so let me show you how to get one. Just choose to select your own map, and here choose what location you want to download for offline. The bigger the map is, the bigger the file size will be. Example, here I expand the map of the Philippines and it has 320 MB. But if I zoom in, you can see it only takes 30 MB space. Once you're done choosing your map you want to download, just click the download button and wait for the downloading process. And there you go guys, you have now downloaded an offline map. And that's how to download offline maps on Google Maps. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video. Peace.